Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is siham.bouguern, and along with Mona Aizi, we are pleased to present our research on implementation of interactive dashboard visualization for startups inventory management, a beauty startup case study. This research is particularly relevant to the African context, as it focuses on empowering startups with limited resources to leverage data for better decision-making in inventory management. We will be presenting our findings at the esteemed AFROS 2024 conference in Tlemcen, Algeria. Let's take a look at what we will cover in today's presentation. We will start with the introduction and problem statements. Next, we will explore research objectives and questions. After that, we will move into theoretical background. Following that, we will take a deep dive into methodology. Then we will present dashboard overview and functionality. Finally, we will address results and discussion, and we will wrap up the presentation with the conclusion and future work. Let's get started with the introduction. Modern businesses operate in a volatile environment marked by uncertainties and intense competition, as exemplified by the disruptions caused by the recent pandemic. Effective supply chain management and inventory control are crucial for navigating these challenges. Data analytics plays a pivotal role in generating insights for informed decision-making. However, startups and SMEs often struggle to utilize data effectively due to limited resources and expertise. This research addresses this gap by proposing an interactive dashboard visualization specifically designed for startups to manage their inventory. So to address the identified gap, this research aims to answer the question, how can data visualization facilitate the evaluation of inventory management for startups? We have set 4 key objectives to guide our research process. We will start by reviewing the existing literature to understand the current state of research in data visualization and inventory management. This will be followed by establishing a solid theoretical foundation for our study. Based on this foundation, we will design a conceptual visualization tool specifically for evaluating inventory management performance in startups. Finally, we will validate the effectiveness of our proposed interactive dashboard through a real-world case study. Inventory management is critical for businesses, especially startups, impacting profitability and customer satisfaction. Effective management involves a balance between stock availability and minimizing costs. Inventory represents a significant part of a company's assets, and understanding the stock keeping units or SKUs is crucial. Each SKU has unique characteristics like demand patterns, perishability, and storage requirements which inform decisions. Data visualization enhances data analysis and provides quick insights from complex data. Dashboards offer a concise and interactive way to present key information, making it easier to identify trends and patterns. There are different kinds of dashboards: strategic, operational, and analytical, each serving specific needs. Business intelligence, or BI, includes data analysis, visualization, and decision-making. A BI system has several key elements like data source, ETL, data warehouse, interactive dashboards, and reports. Our methodology involved several key steps. We began by collecting data from publicly available datasets on Kaggle, focusing on the supply chain of a fashion and a beauty startup. These datasets provided a rich source of information for our analysis. And to ensure the data reliability and accuracy, we performed a thorough data cleaning process using Google Sheets, addressing the inconsistencies, missing values, or outliers. Next, we identified the key performance indicators, or KPIs, essential for evaluating the startup's inventory management effectiveness. These KPIs included metrics like total inventory value, the SKU count, revenue generated, stock levels, and more. Utilizing Tableau Public, a powerful data visualization tool, we designed and created interactive dashboards and visualizations to present our findings in a clear and insightful manner. We developed several sub-dashboards, each focusing on specific aspects of inventory management. These dashboards are inventory overview, sales performance, product performance, and shippers performance. We will now demonstrate the functionality and key features of our interactive dashboard. The main dashboard serves as a central hub with clear navigation buttons leading to different sub-dashboards. Each sub-dashboard provides in-depth insights into specific aspects of inventory management. The Inventory Overview sub-dashboard presents an overall snapshot of the inventory status, including key metrics, stock levels by SKU, and order quantities. The Sales Performance sub-dashboard visualizes sales trends, highlights the top-selling products, and maps the geographical distribution of sales. The Product Performance sub-dashboard focuses on analyzing product-related data, such as average defect rates by product type, pricing analysis, and production volume trends. Finally, the Shippers Performance sub-dashboard offers insights into carrier performance, shipping costs by carrier, and a breakdown of cost of distribution by transportation mode. Now we will see a live demo of the dashboard. So the interactive nature of the dashboard allows users to filter and drill down into the data, gaining a comprehensive understanding of the startup's inventory management performance. We can see that we can easily use the filter to pick which products we want insights into. We can also navigate between the different sub-dashboards very easily. We can also filter by directly clicking into the visuals. And the data is stored on Google Sheets. Therefore, once the data is updated, the dashboards will also automatically update the visuals. The interaction with the visuals also give a further information, like the average or the sum. Now moving to results and discussion. Through our analysis of the interactive dashboard, we have extracted valuable insights into the beauty startup's inventory management. Our findings include the identification of top-selling products and SKU clusters, allowing the startup to focus on high-demand items, insights into stock trends, revealing potential seasonality effects and areas where the stockouts might occur, analysis of product defect rates, highlighting product types prone to defects and their impact on overall inventory management, also evaluation of carrier performance, pinpointing opportunities of optimizing shipping costs and improving logistics effectively. These insights, made possible through data visualization, empower the startups to make data-driven decisions, optimize inventory levels, improve operational efficiency, and enhance overall profitability. Moreover, the interactive dashboard fosters improved communication and collaboration among different stakeholders involved in the supply chain. To conclude, our research conclusively demonstrates that data visualization implemented through an interactive dashboard effectively facilitates the evaluation of inventory management for startups. The dashboard serves as a practical and a valuable tool, empowering startups to gain clear insights into their inventory performance and make data-driven decisions. Our key contributions include the development of a user-friendly and a tailored tool specifically designed to address the unique needs for startups in managing their inventory effectively, a clear demonstration of the significant benefits of data visualization in the real-world case study, providing practical evidence for its effectiveness. And finally, our findings have important implications for improving inventory management practices in startups across various sectors, promoting efficient operations and better resource allocation. To further enhance the impact of our research, we recommend several avenues for future development. The current dashboard can be expanded and adapted to cater to the needs of other business areas such as finance, manufacturing, and rental operations. Integrating advanced analytics capabilities such as predictive and prescriptive analytics powered by machine learning will allow startups to make even more data-driven and proactive decisions. And exploring the wider application of visual analytics within the entire supply chain, including sourcing, manufacturing, and analysis of external variables, can lead to further process optimization. Lastly, enhancing the interactive features of the dashboard to encourage greater human involvement in the analytical process can lead to richer insights and a better decision-making. We believe that these recommendations will pave the way for future research and contribute to the development of more sophisticated and effective visual analytics tools for businesses of all sizes. Thank you for your time, and for those interested in exploring our research in more details, please refer to the paper and also to the list of references provided. You can also visit the dashboard from the provided link. And we welcome a further discussion and collaboration, so please feel free to contact us using the information provided. We appreciate your attention and would be happy to answer any questions you might have. Thank you.